Hey neighbor, we'll talk about what this is and what you can do if you find a rabbit's nest in your lawn coming up. Now I can almost guarantee that if you own a yard, you will encounter rabbits in your yard at least once, if not more. These rabbits like finding your yard if they feel safe for any predators, a nice open area to run, or it's close to a food source that they like to eat. Or of course they can't help but admire your lawn because you watch this channel. All right, now for me, I found the nest when we got back from our family vacation after being gone for a while. The dog was away, the grass was a little bit overgrown. It was a perfect opportunity for the rabbit just to dig its nest and settle in. So let me bring you a little bit closer so we can see exactly what the den looks like. All right, so you see what the rabbits will do is that they're going to dig a hole and spread the dirt just in a spread pile just like this next to the hole. The hole is usually going to be covered, or it's usually going to be covered by debris and dead grass such as this, and if you lift it away, you're going to find the baby rabbits all nestled in there. Now, this is not an active hole. You would tell it's an active hole if you'd find rabbit fur surrounding the area, but these rabbits have already matured, and I see them actually hopping around my yard when I'm mowing the lawn. So, what should you do if you come across a rabbit's nest in your yard? Well, the short answer is nothing. So these rabbits will be out of the nest in about 2 weeks. Just let them be. Everything's going to be fine. What's most important is what you do afterwards, and also to prevent this from happening again. Okay, first we want to repair the site. So we're just going to get rid of this dead grass. And then we're going to try to fill in the hole. I like using the native soil that the rabbits pushed out. You can get gardening soil or lawn soil if you want to. We're just going to scoop up the soil and try to throw it back in. And then you just want to sprinkle on some grass seed. You can also use plugs from donor sites if you have them. Make sure your seed is covered at a depth of about a ½ inch. And of course, if you do have Kentucky bluegrass, this area will fill in rather quickly. Now, to prevent rabbits from entering your yard, you want to put up a barrier such as some chicken wire or fencing, or put out something that they don't like. Examples are vinegar and spray bottles, some chili powder, or you can buy some rodent deterrent from your big box stores. If you have any pets such as dogs, rabbits typically will stay away from areas where they know that there is a dog, so putting your dog's fur around the area might help as well. Now, I am not an expert when it comes to this matter. I did my research on my local DNR Wisconsin website. If you have any other tips or anything that you use to keep rabbits out of your yard, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.